Hello everyone, it's Alicia Heilman, Agent Alicia from here in the Bear Point neighborhood and real estate agent with Keller Williams in Orange Beach. I did a walkthrough today at 5500 Bear Point Avenue. It's a for sale by owner currently in the neighborhood, and this home is awesome. It was completely redone, and as you'll see as we walk through all the updates to the home, there is shiplap, all the light fixtures, doorknobs, even the windowsills have been redone with granite, LVP flooring. This entryway is very large feeling with the vaulted ceilings. This is a great addition with the fireplace here and the shiplap wall. I want this at my own house actually. I'm gonna call the guy who did it because I need this in my life. And then just adjacent, we have like a little dining space over here, and this kitchen is to die for. I love it. The colors that were picked are awesome. I love the gold accents and the extra large handles on the cabinets. Again, the shiplap with the black is carried through the whole home, as you'll see. These appliances are top notch and beautiful. Oh my gosh, this little beverage center in here, I have never seen that. Super cool. Every space is so well thought out. There is a really beautiful backsplash. Hey, there I am. Hi. And the double sink there you'll see. Again, back out in the living area. I'm gonna move over to the master bedroom, and here to the left you'll see a super cute little study nook. This space was really creatively used. It's got a butcher block little counter there, again with the black shiplap. Adjacent to that is a large laundry room, brand new water heater, and you can walk out to the back there. Here is the master. It is really good sized. Lots of good light in this home as well. And look at that ceiling fan, so nice. We've got the barn door going into the master bathroom. Moving into the master here, you'll see the double vanity. It's split, so you have a his and hers vanity on each side of the bathroom, which is nice. All the beautiful, oh, hey, there's my boots. It was raining. I got new boots and they're really cute, so I wanted to show those. Here is the shower, beautiful tile, all floor to ceiling, penny tile in the inserts, frosted windows. It's got a rain shower head, which I love as well. And then adjacent, you'll see the separate commode. And there I am again. Hi. Okay, so now to continue the tour, we will check out this super large walk-in closet. You've got the pull-down attic space there, great for your Christmas stuff. Wanted to go over here and show you the ledges on all of the windows. I thought that was a cool addition. And my assistant, don't worry, he doesn't bite. Okay, and the split floor plan going across the living room. There's a linen closet there, little storage closet. And then we have the second bedroom. Again, nice light. The windows, couple windows there that add nice lighting. You've got a standard size closet. And then you got your bathroom here, conveniently located between the two bedrooms. Hello. And the third bedroom here on the front of the home. It's about the same size as the second bedroom. Again, two windows. And then moving out, we're gonna go, I'm gonna take you and show you this awesome backyard. There's a huge deck off the back of the home. This is a double lot, and it is in a no flood zone, so that is huge in the Bear Point neighborhood. Double lot, no flood, nice big storage shed over there, plenty of room for entertaining. It was yucky, like I said, but this home is beautiful. And I really think you need to check it out, so give me a call and I will be happy to give you a tour.